is going on, guys? Just wanted to hop on real quick. It is about to storm here in Alabama. I mean, we've got a huge... Hey, what? Oh, man. What? Can you pull up the weather on your Chromebook?
My Chromebook's on.
Can you pull up the weather on your Chromebook?
Yeah.
Will you pull up the weather on your Chromebook? Yeah. Come on. Pull it up for me real quick. The storm is actually about to hit us. It's a pretty big storm. I always kind of get a little bit, not scared, but a little bit anxious just because when I was little, we had a big tornado come through Hornwall, and we had an apartment complex that was down from where we lived, and it sucked a little baby out of her bed and killed her. And so it's always been, this is nature, and it is powerful. It's very unpredictable, and you just need to be ready for anything. Have you... I was just thinking in there a minute ago. I've not even talked to Earl about it yet, so I am anxious. So I get this going. But anyway, make sure that you got a kit together. Make sure you got you some candles, and at least if you don't have a fallout shelter or a storm shelter, then just somewhere in your house that everybody's going to know to go to. Actually, the big part, well, it's a pretty big storm. So we're here. It's here now. And all those little curves go. Can you... I was about to try to do it with my fingers. I'm trying to... So yeah, those little hooks and stuff, which are rotation. It means rotation, of course, if anybody... I can't keep it on the screen because I can't see what I'm doing. Yeah, those little hooks and stuff like that are always considered a danger and a threat. If you know anything about the Middle Tennessee area, this area, we are just tornado crazy. Absolute. Since I was young, we've always had big tornadoes. We're right in what's considered tornado alley. Huh?
I've never been in one before.
We was in one time. What, Mama? We was in one time, wasn't we? Where the whole side of the trailer popped in and out like a big suction cup.
Yeah.
Absolutely terrifying. And then when we were little, the one that my dad was actually in the Navy in Nashville. He was in the reserves, and so he would leave on the weekends, and me, Mom, and Bubba would be at home. But with that weekend that tornado hit, it was me, Mom, and Bubba. I remember having our hamsters. We had little hamsters then, and we all crawled in the hallway, and it ended up killing that little baby, and it forever kind of...
I told you in the bathtub.
Oh, I don't remember that part. Yes, I do. Yep, I do. So we need to kind of... feel it. Oh, I feel the air coming. You just listen, okay? When somebody tells you to do something, you just gotta...
Tornado watch for Lauderdale County
Oh, it's
expires
pretty big.
in 7 hours.
Yeah, it's pretty big. Tornado watch.
It is big.
Warnings are when they hit ground.
Warnings when they're spotted.
Yeah, watches are to watch for them. But yeah, it is. It's coming. Right for us. It's coming.
It's coming for us.
I'm hoping this is all it develops into, and not I'm trying to chase some tornado. We're all the type that when the storm, before it hits, when we get a chance to kind of see it roll in, we will go out and and watch them. I mean,
watch
so it's coming. The clouds. I know. I see. Look, I see it coming from this way. So that right there. All right, let's get in.
Yeah.
Now I say when you hear thunder, it means lightning. Anyway, and just don't play around with storms, guys. Lightning can strike over 500 feet away. It's pretty charged up out here, ain't it?
Yep.
Feels weird, huh? It just feels weird out here. Huh? Yep.
I'm coming, Daddy.
It's fixed to start. No, baby. River, no. You need back in. Come on. Well, guys, we'll keep you posted on how everything's going. I'm going to get the kids in here and finish getting my little... Well, if you guys can come in with me, and I'll show you just what I'm going to get ready for it. I'm going to have River get her some toys, so that way she has got some toys. When the lights go out and everybody's kind of sitting around, it gets a little scary, especially when you're a little girl. Trust me, I know. Hey, Jace.
Yeah?
Go check the mail for Gammy.
We should go live on Twitter. We should go live on Twitter. Bring you guys through the storm with us live. I can't wait till I can go live on my YouTube channel. And then, So I gotta have like 400 more subscribers. So let's push that content out. Also, don't forget our Christmas contest, guys. We do not have that much longer left. Last year we were on it. We had so much fun. This year has kind of been... it's been a lot. So we're going to do a little bit tonight. Hopefully, good Lord willing, and the creek don't rise. That's what they always say.
Yeah, he's checking the mail for me.
Here's Thunder coming in. Okay.
No, she's...
Hey, River. Where's River? Hey, get you some toys together for real. Okay, wait here. Nanny, I'll cut your line on for you. Get you some toys together. It just always helps when a kid has a toy, especially. It helps.
Couple babies.
Yeah. Oh, hey. I got my babies. Oh, goodness.
7 hours and 11 minutes.
Mom watching Omar and Tiphanie. She's become a mega fan. I looked at her the other day. I said, see? Do you get it now? Do you understand? Yeah. Anyway. Actually, I just got a text from Tiffany. Okay, so evidently it went around us. We just did a whole little tornado drill in the closet in there. We did not film it. It had 3 dogs, 2 kids, and me. Blankets, pillows, my purse, candles, the car keys. How do you know any of the car keys are still?
It's gonna light.
It's thunderstorm. We're going to have severe thunderstorm warnings for 52 minutes.
52 minutes. You just gotta love storms. So anyway, yeah, we're vlogging it as we go.
Hey,
We may actually finish our tree tonight as soon as the storm blows over. We're going to attempt to finish decorating for Christmas. It's just been... We've had a lot going on.
Jump back in there.
Well, dadgum, my toes just come uncovered. Don't tell me that, Daddy. Just took my boots off. Well, gave me his boots, but...
My brown one's over ready.
The zip up ones. She gonna be looking fashionable out there.
My leggings and my gown and my red.
Instead of a cow, they be like, "There's a lady with some designer boots and a red raincoat on."
Sliding through the air.
There's another lady. No, I think it's the same one. I think it's the same one.
What time is it?
Show you what it looks like.
4:54, 4:52. Y'all gotta come. We need to get those angels down at the top of that closet, babe, just in case. I was sitting in there, I'm like, I feel so protected. All except for them big old, them angels would, one of them would come down and hit me in the head or something, be my demise, you know. Somebody's funeral angels. He was the funeral angel, killed her.
Is that why you have to sit in our spot? Is that why you have to sit in more rooms?
No, I was going to get over there beside y'all.
Wait, y'all can too! Y'all can too,
Hush, 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 hush. Listen. Tornado siren again. Yep, it's going off. Yep.
Last thing we need to do is go hunting your little black butt in the storm. With your double ring butthole.
He's scared. Look, Molly's like, what are we doing outside the closet? Can somebody tell me? Give me a fry, and we're gonna go back in the closet. I brought Big Coco's right back in there.
No, he's behind you.
Oh, okay.
He's like, I'm taking
Oh, he just looks so majestic. He sat down right in the middle of all of us and was just like. Whoa, my hair. Good grief. I'll be tornado chasing with my hair all messed up. I want to be a storm chaser. Yeah. I'm doing a vlog. I'm the masked vlogger. Boom, boom, boom.
How about we all go back in the closet?
How about all go back in the closet? Yep.
Oh, wow.
Oh my gosh, that where we're at now? Look at that big circle.
It's huge.
We still in a little bit of a hook though.
We're in it.
Oh, this is the rotation right here.
There's the original warning. Here's the new warning right
Oh,
here. So we
right
got
over
that
here.
red box that includes
We're up here.
Limestone County. I want to put a storm
It's
path
right
on
here.
this, and let's draw it out and pull it all the way.
I'm going to get back in the closet. I love y'all, but I'd rather me and the babies be safe. What'd he say?
Closet.
Alright. Makes them feel better, makes me feel better. Come on. Let's go. Oh. Everybody in, everybody in. This is our little closet. Our closet space. And it is little, babe. Oh, God, I'm so scared of the funeral angels. These are my angels from my nephew and his funeral. Look, the dogs are just right back here. They're like, okay, get right in. Get in. Molly, come on.
Wait. Ow.
Molly. There's dogs everywhere. It's okay. We're all together.
What? So I'm good.
Oh, my cobwebs. Blah.
Hi, I look horrible.
What? Oh, it was Hunter Coco's tail. Scared me to death.
Squish.
You're good.
Oh, yeah, some little kid had a party in here drawing on it. I actually wrote letters in
Who
here.
was that little kid?
I wrote letters in here.
I know. I read them.
There's kids out there with no food.
There's kids out there with no food, Jace. Kids out there with no food. Molly's like, oh my God. Shh, it's raining. Shh. Remember, shh. Listen. Ah. Calm down there, Cletus. You're right on top of breakables. It's okay.
You see how the little black body go?
Coco's
He's
just
like-
standing there like, what now? Oh, mama's babies. I got all my babies. Get all my babies. Where you going, Mama? You come over here, Mama. We're all safe. Coco's like, I begged her damn differ.
Ow, 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 ow.
Just listen. Coco, it's not your turn to get up there. Nope, you're too big. There's breakable stuff in there. Y'all sit down somewhere. Sit down right here, Cokie. Sit down. Sit down right here. Sit down right there. There, sit down right there. Sit right here, Cokie. Look right there. Sit down right there. Move, Hunter.
Quit! You poked me in the eye.
Don't do that. It's a bad time to poke somebody in the eye.
Ow. That hurt me.
Molly's like ridiculously hot. And Coco has no clue what to do with his butt.
Butthole on under.
Right there, baby. Right there. Now, sit down.
Who snorted it? All I hear is.
Yeah.
You got the cigarettes?
No, they're right up behind you on the thing.
Hey, Dad, come here.
Huh?
Come in here.
Come on. Hold on.
Oh, where the TV usually is. If you're facing the closet, they should be right behind you. Oh, never mind. I'm just kidding. They're right here in my purse. I was going to make sure we didn't lose them. Here you go. Here you go, babe. Did it look like Molly handed them to you?
Hey, come here, Ed. Get in here.
Quit laughing at us.
I love you guys.
We love you.
I'm standing on my knees.
You better get your knees up so you can have a place to
Ow,
sit.
dirty him up.
Babe, I want to get those angels down further. Coco's like, what? Daddy, would you help me? I will get out, Daddy. I need to get out of here, you see. I'm scared, Daddy. He's scared. Yeah, me scared, Daddy. All you babies is scared, Dad.
Y'all in a safe place. Love you.
We need a fan off in here.
No.
Don't even them. Oh, no. It's not okay for you to go. You're staying right here with your mama. Sorry. We need some of them. We need some of them.
There's spider webs over
It's
there.
okay. They're alright. They ain't the kind that hurt you.
I need my pillow and my pillows. Because I got body pillows
Where we gonna put them?
on the top of our heads and on our bodies.
I'm going
On
over here
your
with
booty.
you. I want to come up here with you.
Well, I might go over here.
Yeah. How about you let Nene go over there? And
You go get your whatever it is you want to get. You better go get it because we're in it. We're in it. Remember, Dave says even if it goes below us, we're still going to go through the storm. Oh, wow. Don't scare me, Mom.
Oh no, I'm like, oh wow, how am I going to
I have no clue. She's okay. What are you doing? There you go. Put that on your head.
Daddy!
He can't.
Dad!
Quit.
Little thing.
Hey, Daddy!
Coco was like, forget it. I'm out of here.
Holly.
Tell him.
Oh, my, looks so cute. Quit with that face.
Don't be looking like that. You better be looking sweet. Gorgeous. Okay, guys, so I just wanted to come back on and close out this vlog in saying, please pray for the families lost in this storm. There was a mother and father who lost their lives. A 2-year-old boy lost his mother and father. During this storm, he was thrown into the woods and is still in critical condition as far as we know, but I just wanted to come on and let you guys know. Just please pray for their family, and Merry Christmas to you guys. We love y'all. I hope you all have a very Merry Christmas. Please make sure you're subscribed to both of our channels. Make sure that you go and like, comment, and retweet all of our tweets on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. We love you guys. Merry Christmas.